Good morning everyone. My name is Anurag Rathore and we are all students of IIBS, Bangalore. Right now we are in MRANTI, Malaysia. As you can see here, this is a 5G center. So we are here to explore different things, as we have seen different prototype of the 3D printing and the drones and all. So right now we are here in 5G prototype. So they have shown everything, the prototype, how the internet works, the speed and all. So they have shown a different thing, like there was a Wi-Fi. I asked them, what's this thing? So they told me this is a Wi-Fi which you can carry anywhere with you. So it will help you to connect with the internet at any cost, because it can get the network anywhere. So it doesn't mean wherever you are, you can get that network, no issues with that. So it is very helpful. They showed us every prototype, how the 3D printing works, how the laser works. They showed us the drones. The main motto of MRANTI is whatever the idea their youngsters and the startups have, they can directly come to them and they can collaborate with them. They helps them to make the prototype, the final goods, and take that product into the market. That there is a very good execution team which tests the things here only in the campus of the MRANTI only. So there is a very very good cycle that any startup can get a help from MRANTI to make a prototype, make their products. They helps them a very lot. Now as earlier we have seen the very different prototypes and different things which are being made by the help of the 3D printer and the laser beam, and the drones area was so exciting that everyone got excited there. So they are very good at these things. So thank you IIBS for providing me the opportunity to be here. Right now we are in Malaysia because for the university exchange program. So it was very good for us. It is very helpful and we are understanding way more better these things here, as we can see the prototypes and things happening in the front of our eyes. So it is very good for us to understand and get it.